What is up, guys? We are here at AirFryTilIDie. Today we're going to be working on something that takes me back, I guess. Something I grew up eating, something my mom always called a Campfire Pizza. I'm sure there are many other names for it, but it's basically a pizza sandwich. So we're going to go ahead and get this guy preheated. We're going to do 350. Maybe, there we go. All right, so as that starts preheating, we're going to step over here. Basically, I have 2 slices of buttered white bread, some pepperoni, a couple mozzarella slices, Italian season, and some pizza sauce. Very simple. We're going to go ahead and put that together. And yeah, I mean, simple, easy, but really, really good. Alright guys, so put one of the pieces of bread, butter side down, hit it with a little sauce. A little more sauce. There we go. So I got 1 slice of mozzarella on. We're going to go ahead and start with some pepperoni. Put it out there. With a little shot of Italian season, not much, just a little dash. Top it with the second slice of mozzarella. Bring it all out. Top piece of bread. A little push to firm it up, and when the oh, speaking of which, so we are preheated. Go ahead and open. Take this, slide it in, position there, close it up, and we're going to do 5 minutes. Hopefully that is sufficient. If not, we'll give it a check later. Turn the light on and see how it goes. We are 3 minutes in. Just the very edge of the top of the bread is starting to brown. The rest's getting a little golden. Cheese looks like it's starting to melt. So I'm hoping that the 5 minutes will be sufficient. Check back when it's finished and see what we need to do from there. Alright, it's finished cooking. Brown on top. Take it over. Shake it onto the plate. It's never as graceful as I imagine it's gonna be, but it does look good. And alright guys, as you heard, my children can't seem to keep it together and be quiet for a few minutes, but nonetheless, sandwich is done. I'm gonna give it a little cut here, see how that goes. Hey, looks good. Tastes good. Thanks for watching.